Good evening once more. So this is a marketplace, ClickBank, where you can promote many offers. You, a lot of them is auto approval. You just click to say you want to promote it, and that's it. Some you have to be approved for the sort of big time products. There's maybe only two or three like that, so you can search in all different ways. It's a bit like Google. It's all some of the searches are pre-done, so you can go to top offers, so 1,904. So quite a lot of them are weight loss. There's quite a lot in health and wealth. Um, there's that niche is quite popular. Um, so here we've got the name of it, and if you like that, you can or love it, that gets saved to your favourites. But if you don't want to do that, you don't. So the gravity score is 772.61. So that's based on, it's quite a high score. I think it's out of 1,000. So they're actually getting sales from that. And here is the affiliate page, so you can take a look at it there. And if you want to promote, you can, and you get your link. If you just uh, try that again, and, yeah, create again, and use this part, yeah. So you copy that. It's a long link. You can, if we come out of that here, you can use a system like Bitly, which is free to use. You can pay for it, and you would go create new link, stick that in there, and then just put ClickBank on YouTube if you're doing a video about it or something. Create, copy, paste, and that's you promoting that. So let's go back to ClickBank, find out we're not on the right page. So we'll go back into ClickBank. So that's us back into the marketplace. So we're in top offers. Gravity is quite high, and you can promote it. So, and this is telling what you're getting. It's a physical product. You can get a one-time commission on it, and then it's also recurring. Should tell us what commission is there, but don't know why it doesn't, to be honest. But okay, so you're getting. I don't know if it will tell us here. We'll just. Yeah, so it's on their page. It tells us. So 85% commissions, $3 people earning per click. Average order value is $235 dollars, and get started now via ClickBank. You put in your, so you get 85%, is quite high to be honest. So that's a wee bit about the program which you can read there. You can contact the seller directly. This is quite good, the affiliate page. So we'll put in our ID here. Okay, not all the programs have this, but it's basic to resources to help you, and you've got your tracking links. So yeah, you get 85% commissions. It's quite high. Choose network, which I've done. Yeah, the commissions is what you can get via this one. Pixels is just like images. Yeah, so that's some images you could use in Facebook. And it even's got the ad copy for you as well, so you don't have to do anything, copy it to clipboard, and that's it done. Even emails as well. Send an email if you've got a list. It's got the subject line. It's got all the stuff. Just put your link in, and that's it. It's just quite a good one. There's a lot of sales, and they give a lot of information. Excuse me. Which is quite good. And then there's the next one, to do with diabetes. There's a lot of weight loss ones. So you can search via top offers, or you could actually search. You could put make money online. Let's take a look at that in the next section. Okay, so we can type in something the search bar is going to, but I'll maybe use the section here. We'll just do e-business and e-marketing. So it comes up with 178. And we're looking for high gravity score. So one of the ways that we can do this, we could do minimum 100, maximum 500, and it searches. It's only like two that came up, but to be honest, in ClickBank, not every product is great. So you can promote something that quite a lot of people, over 203 people, have promoted this, and over 137. It's your choice if you promote it or not. It's like doing also research. Initial conversion is only $5, but the rebill is like $25 a month. So the reason why that's so low, it's a $1 trial, and then it rebills monthly. So you'll get your perhaps $5, and then that a month. So out of the ones to do e-marketing, that's the two that it's the most people promote, so and the most sales as well. So you're getting one time plus recurring, and then the affiliate tools in there, which I've shown you before, and one time recurring as well. So that's a good way to do put a high gravity score to see what other people promote and who gets the most sales from what products. And now on to the next section. So that's one way that you can find by what others promote, and then what the sales is and things like that. And you could actually do it by recurring rebilling. So that's people have not cancelled, but they've stayed with the program every month. So you might have 100 to 200, which has got none. You might have, what you might even do is go in a different niche, to do business investing. There's not a lot one. That's quite a big commission on that one, but the gravity score is quite low in a lot of these product ones. But we'll put something in to 50, so it's none again. So let's go into health and fitness rather, and try that. So there's not a lot of bills, which is quite interesting, which is fair enough. So that's not, maybe try it lower, 50, 200. So there's a bit more on that one. So Sumtra Slim Belly. tonic. So there's a lot of rebills in that one, so the gravity score is quite high. So you're getting $128, and then the rebill is 75 a month, so like 10 of them, that's 7,500 doing that right, maths, times 10, $750, and then for 100 it's like 7,500 plus the initial sale as well. So from that one offer, you could potentially make um, a lot of money. So there's different look for the rebill, so that's people that are staying with it every month. What other search can you do? Ones with tools on it as well. So there's different ways of searching. Doggy back working. That you can use. Just 1 minute. And then perhaps you want to look at new offers. The gravity is quite low on them, but if you wanted to, you could promote some of these. There's different ways of just searching for different things on ClickBank. It is a good marketplace to start off, but if you really want to learn affiliate marketing, which these things don't teach you, give you some tools, which is okay, but we've got a free 30-day bootcamp, which you must see. So come and take a look at it, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.